how to write articles with Harpa AI. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. It's actually pretty easy to do this, but there's quite some things that you got to know in order to do this perfectly. And yeah, so first of all, you want to go ahead and add Harpa AI to Chrome. This is basically chatgpt extension inside Chrome right over here. There are some quick explanations of what it can do. So if you want to know that what it can do even more, then by all means check this out. So I want to write an article about the June 2023 crypto market forecast. Now, what to do? Well, first I want to open up Harpa AI just like that. And then I want to click on / and this will open up a couple of commands. So I can, for example, go to marketing and SEO. So here you can actually have stuff like outrank SEO articles. So marketing and SEO outrank the combination with an in-depth SEO optimized article, navigate to the web page with an article to outrank, then run this command. So what I can, for example, do is now select that. And then what I can simply do is simply hit enter on my keyword. And that just means that it's now going to do that with this specific page I am already on. Now, this is a very easy way to create SEO optimized articles. But the problem is that sometimes the article is actually not that long, or it just really just copies this article like a lot. So that is something that you don't want, because then you cannot outrank this article that well. And in general, you are literally just copying an article, which is not great. Now, let's say you want to make this article a little bit longer. You can actually type in continue, and it will just continue a little bit. And this is the article that we have just written. Now, you should try and use, for example, put this article in originality.ai and see how much it is the same as this article. Now, that is a very easy way to do this, but you should try and put it into originality.ai and see how much it is actually different from this article. So you don't just put the exact same article out as this one. Now, a actual better way to get a good article, and actually a very big article as well, a very long, is to go to the copywriting section. So over here in the copywriting section, you have a couple of different ways to write articles as well. Now here, if the article outline markdown, you also have the article outline MECE. So this is using the MECE framework, and this one is not. So you can choose which one you would like to. Now, the reason why you want to do this first is because in order to actually create a good article, you want to go ahead and outline it first, and then you can actually generate an article. So I'm going to use this one. And then what does the article should be about? So then I will copy, this title, put it in here, and then hit enter. Now it will create an outline for me. So now that it's done, it's actually pretty fast, to be honest, but I still sped it up in my editing software real quick, just to show you guys. Well, what do you want to do now? Now you got this outline. You want to hit / again, and then simply go back to copywriting. Then over here, you want to go ahead and select article section. So generate an article section content use in combination with article outline command. So first generate the outline, which we have just done. And then what you want to do is please copy paste below a single section of the article outline. You can generate article outline using blah, 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 which we have just done. Then you want to go ahead and copy this, paste it in here, hit enter. And now this will actually generate it for me. And you have to do this manually for each section. Now, as you can see, this is already starting to become even longer than that other article which we wrote about here or generated. So now you can actually do this for a single section each time. Now, I do recommend reading all of this through though, because sometimes it will just a little bit go off like topic. So you want to keep that in mind. And then I will just go ahead and keep doing this. So I'll just go to the next section. Now you should do this for each section. like I just did with 2 of them. And once you are done, I recommend going to Originality AI, and this AI is able to detect how original it is. So basically try and do that and see how original it is. And if some parts are too much the same as, for example, this article over here, then what you can do is, for example, use ChatGPT in order to rewrite certain parts so it's more original. So that is the best way to write articles with Harpa AI. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.